This gorgeous cabinet was sent to me by Yaheetech, and I just really love it. Here are all the pieces that come with it, and they are all labeled so that you can easily put that together. And all of the hardware is included, and you don't need any extra tools except for maybe a screwdriver. The instruction manual is very clear in how to assemble this cabinet, and it only took about an hour to put together. And you just easily slide the pieces in on the back, and there's vents in the back so your shoes don't smell up the cabinet. The backing just slides in just like so. And then these are the legs that you put together, and it's really quick and easy. There's also adjustable feet for the bottom as well. Here is my cabinet all put together, and I just really love the way it looks. It matches my floor perfectly. And then it has these country doors that open up. Now, these also come with a bracket that you can attach it to the wall. I don't have little ones, so I didn't need to do that. This cabinet really fits in great with my decor. And another thing I really like are the handles. I think they're really pretty, the metal handles. And then also another feature are these great little hooks on the sides. They're perfect to hang your purse. When you walk in the door, you can just hang it up on the cabinet and you don't have to worry about where to put your purse. And there's a couple of them on each side, so that's really nice. And it also has this really nice tabletop on the top of it. And you can store all sorts of things on there. Your slippers and shoes fit perfectly in there as well, but I chose to use it more as like a little buffet, and I put some dishes and cups in there, and I'm planning on reorganizing my kitchen now that I have some extra room. I really love this cabinet, and I think you will too.